Welcome to the world of nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN, a compound studied for its potential anti-aging benefits. However, the current challenges in the market make us ponder about its future. Recently, transdermal patches containing 300 milligrams of NMN have emerged as a promising solution. These patches, manufactured professionally using hydrogel and airtight packaging, ensure optimal moisture retention. Could this innovative approach become the key to keeping NMN accessible to everyone, including those who aren't fond of swallowing capsules and pills? Online marketplaces like Amazon have already started prohibiting the sale of NMN in capsule and pill forms. As more sellers follow suit, acquiring NMN could soon become increasingly challenging. When regulating sellers becomes complex, the focus often shifts towards controlling the consumers. Penalties up to $200 have been imposed on individuals found procuring banned substances. However, while NMN dietary supplements in the form of capsules, pills, and powders face bans, patches provide a unique alternative that isn't considered a dietary supplement. According to the FDA, dietary supplements are substances meant for oral consumption. Patches, on the other hand, work through dermal transmission and aren't meant for oral consumption. Patches, initially introduced for weight management, now cater to a wide range of needs from smoking cessation to sleep aids and even acne treatment. Despite their status still being in the gray zone, they are widely accepted as over-the-counter products. While there are limited studies on the effectiveness of transdermal patches, a 2016 study on the effectiveness of high doses of melatonin showed promising results.
This is possibly the only study ever done on the subject. This is not our opinion, but it is a published paper. While some experts on the subject have a clear stand on this, like Dr. Ettinger and Dr. Klinghardt, who both advise for transdermal delivery, others try the oral or sublingual route, which is the preferred way to get melatonin into your system. To obtain the study, we had to pay $14. Therefore, we cannot publish it in its entire. We respect the author's copyright claims. But we will put a link in the description below where you can get this study. What we can do here is to provide you with the results of this scientific paper. Again, this study is only about the best delivery routes of high doses of melatonin. The authors have worked with 200 milligrams melatonin. Let's dive right into it. The headline says, melatonin delivery, transdermal and transbuccal delivery in different vehicles. Well, this headline is not totally accurate, because there was also the delivery via oral paste examined, as you will see in a minute. The study starts off, saying, melatonin could be a candidate for drug treatment for several diseases because of its high antioxidant and its high anticarcinogenic activity and its important biological roles. Methods formulations were characterized in terms of rheology, drug release and permeation through human skin, as well as porcine buccal mucosa. Irradiation experiments were also performed. But they also examined the penetration of oral paste, OB. Oral paste is a paste that you put in your mouth or under your tongue. The study examines the various transmissions over several hours. That is why an oral paste has been chosen instead of powder. You cannot keep powder longer as a few minutes inside your mouth, but with an oral paste that is possible. But here comes the kicker. The lowest amount of melatonin released came from oral paste, OB, it states here. The next vehicle examined was buccal administration. What is that? Buccal administration involves placing a film-coated tablet between your gums and cheek, where it also dissolves and is slowly absorbed into your blood for several hours. This route showed as well high transmission of melatonin, similar to transdermal route. But then again, having a tablet between your cheek and gum for several hours at night is not what you want. Maybe you would swallow it, and there is the possibility that it gets stuck in your throat while you sleep. The study concludes. Potential systemic effects were obtained by skin and buccal route respectively. The lowest amount of melatonin released was from oral paste, OB, the study concludes. This study was mentioned by Dr. Klinghardt in his explanation of high dosages of melatonin. This is certainly a reason why Dr. Klinghardt recommends transdermal melatonin applications.
Given the similarities between NMN and melatonin, both having a short half-life and being unstable molecules, it's reasonable to believe that patches could be equally effective for NMN. The World Health Organization, in conjunction with Bill Gates, recently suggested that patches could be the future of mRNA vaccines. This supports the idea that transdermal transmission is on the rise and that patches do work. With patches providing a constant supply of high doses over 6 to 8 hours or longer, without any of the substance being destroyed, it's clear that the future of NMN could indeed be changed by a simple patch. To sum up, NMN patches could potentially revolutionize the way we use NMN, making it more accessible and easier to use. With the increasing acceptance of patches and the promising results of existing studies, the future of NMN certainly looks bright. Each step forward brings us closer to unlocking the full potential of this fascinating compound.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you liked it.